Okay guys, welcome back. This is USDJPY for the day. We want to see where this USDJPY would be moving to. First of all, let's start with this full trend on USDJPY. But if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. So if you take a look at this USDJPY, right, the full trend, we are kind of like we're going bullish, right? Then all of a sudden we started having this bearish move on our USD. This is one of the reasons why our USDJPY has been giving us a bearish move. One of the reasons is that we can take a look at the DXY or USD index, anyone. It has been giving us a drop. It has been going bearish. So one of the reasons why USD to JPY is giving us a bearish move. So now consider this as a drop on USD to JPY. Here we would consider this as a correction. New lower lows. Here would be the correction, new lows, right? After the new lows, what do you expect next? A correction needs to be made. Reason why we are having a pullback reacting at this level is that price has once reacted to this level previously. So once price gave us a pullback, it got to the same level. Of course, price needs to react at a level here, because if price has reacted to a level previously, if you are trading, once price has reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level, we expect price to also react at that same level. So we saw a pullback, right, that came to this level. So we saw price needs to react. So I actually did analysis for the 23rd, right, for the 23rd of this month, that we'll be expecting a bearish move, at least 100 pips bearish move. Guess what? Today we actually made 168 bearish move today. So I told you guys that this USDJPY, right, which is on, will be making a bearish move to at least 100 pips for 23rd, which we actually did. Now we want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is 24th, right? And I'm telling also for the 24th or the next day on this USDJPY, would also be expecting a bearish move also. We should be able to take out this candlestick wick here. So you can see this candlestick wick here on this USDJPY. We would want to see this USD to JPY drop further down to take out this candlestick wick. So from currently here to this candlestick wick here, 184 pips. So at least if you can make 150 pips bearish move on this USD JPY, you would make a lot, right? So you should be able to grab at least 150 pips. Notice that from this current price to this level, we are all expecting it to drop to is 184 pips. So if you can try and grab 120 to 150 pips, within 120 to 150 pips, you would be grabbing a lot. So we'd be expecting a bearish move. Another reason is that if you take a look at this price is below our 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading this moving average. Once it is below the 10 period moving average, we have to sell. So clearly, price is below the 10 period moving average. So it is simple. Sell this USDJPY. This USDJPY is dropping. Same thing, likewise, our USD index and DXY, it is dropping. As the USD index or DXY will be dropping, they'll be expecting a drop on USDJPY also. So that should take us to the 4-hour time frame. So if you notice this 4-hour time frame, you saw that price reacted here, right? You saw this drop on USDJPY. Here is the correction in USDJPY, and now is the drop in USDJPY. So I strongly believe it's actually drop further down. Let's say drop to a level of 138.724. Let's see if it's actually come out to tap this level, right? At least from here to this level should give us 80 plus pips. Let's see if price will actually come to tap this level. Reason is that price has once reacted to this level, right? So we saw price actually open and close at this level. So I strongly believe price will actually come down further to tap this level and possibly break down and continue a bearish move to be able to take out this candlestick wick. So I just don't know how you want to place this trade. Maybe as soon as you watch this video, maybe you place this trade immediately. Maybe once the New York section has opened, price should have been able to hit the level by New York section, which I strongly believe. Or you can possibly wait for London section. Once the London section opens, you can place this trade. It is up to you though. So this USDJPY though, we are still expecting a bearish move. And notice that we would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame, right? If you see this 4-hour time frame, the price is below the 10 period moving average. So still an indication that USDJPY is still a bearish move. So how you want to place this trade, I don't know. If in case price will give us a pullback, which I don't think so yet, I believe price will be able to drop further down before a pullback will occur. Maybe once price drops further down and it's giving us a pullback, maybe then you can enter this pullback level on USDJPY. Above all, we should need to see a bearish move to be made before price will give us that bullish move upward on USDJPY.